Mahadev, today is the 15th February 2026, and today is Mahashivratri. So, first of all, I wish everybody a transformational Mahashivratri, and I wish that may this Shivaratri bring about some deep and magical change in you, in everybody, in this entire world. Uh, so, today and especially tonight is a day of fasting, of silence, of mantra, of keeping awake the whole night if you can. Many people do. But in this video, I want to talk about something which I've been actually thinking about for past few years. And mm, I think, yeah, it's about time that I did talk about it and put it across to you and everybody and whoever is interested in this, whoever is willing to listen to this. And that is about the Panchakshari mantra. Namah Shivaya, most people pronounce this. Namah Shivaya, when Om is added to it, it becomes Shadakshari mantra, which is actually more common. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. This is mostly how people pronounce this mantra, the Shadakshari mantra. But I want to focus on the Panchakshari mantra without the pranav. Simply Na, Maha, Shi, Va, Ya. These 5 letters. So, first of all, this Namaha Shivaya, most people pronounce it Namah Shivaya, but that is not the right pronunciation, and that is what I mainly want to focus on. It is not Namah Shivaya. It's either Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, like not Shivaya, Shivaya. And Namah is not the grammatically correct pronunciation. It's Namaha. Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya. So whether you do it audibly, loud, or medium voice, or even in a very, very quiet tone, rather low voice, or even whisper it, or even do it just mentally, it cannot be Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. It has to be Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya. Now, this is the pronunciation as per the Shukla Yajurveda Madhyandini Shakha. This Shukla Yajurveda has the mantra, Panchakshari mantra, first occurs in the Yajurveda. And so, whenever the Panchakshari mantra is used, it has to be done as per the Yajurveda. Now, in Yajurveda, as you know, you have the Shukla Yajurveda and the Krishna Yajurveda. I should say Yajurved, not Veda, but Ved. Shukla Yajurved has two shakhas. The Kanva Shakha, which is mostly prevalent in Maharashtra and some parts of Karnataka, and the Madhyandini Shakha. Madhyandini Shakha is prevalent in the Hindi-speaking belt of the northern part of India. And as per the Madhyandini Shakha, the pronunciation is Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya. It's more intense, and the emphasis on Ha, Namaha Shivaya. It makes the mantra more heating in effect. You can use this pronunciation in your chant of Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, and you can see the results for yourself, how it affects you. Now, the Kanva Shakha is actually closer to the Krishna Yajurveda. And in the Krishna Yajurveda, the same Namaha Shivaya becomes Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. The Ha disappears because of the internal Sandhi as per the rules of Panini grammar, which is more strictly applied to the mantras of Shukla, the Krishna Yajurveda. So, people who follow the Krishna Yajurveda and the Kanva Shakha of the Shukla Yajurveda, they should pronounce this mantra as Namah Shivaya, 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 Namah Shivaya. So you can see this Panchakshari mantra can be pronounced in only two ways. Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, or else Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Now, if you add pranav to this, the tempo changes. Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. So either in the case of the Panchakshari mantra or the Shadakshari mantra, the pronunciation is very different from what is normally used by, I think, 90% of the people. They say Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. It's not A, it's Ya. And correct pronunciation of any mantra, be it a Vedic mantra or a Tantric mantra, it's of utmost importance. whatever you feel, people say that, oh, if you're feeling about God, then wrong pronunciation won't matter. No, I don't agree with this. Like my name is Prashant, and if you don't pronounce my name properly, I won't like it. I mean, one way to surely make somebody very upset and maybe angry is to mispronounce his or her name, and nobody is going to like it. If somebody is named Rajesh and I called him Rajesh, he is not going to like it. That person will obviously try to correct me. No, no, it's not Rajesh, it's Rajesh. Please, he will request me, he will try to guide me. And still, if I don't pronounce his name properly, I mean, Rajesh, if I pronounce his name as Rajesh and he explains to me, but I'm not able to correct myself. Then if I am mad or I am just dimwit or little kid or maybe some foreigner, then maybe he's going to tolerate it and excuse it. Like I was in Jakarta for 6 months in 2005, and I was directing a TV series over there in their language. And I mean, I was surrounded by 80 to 120 people, locals, Indonesians. And I was the boss. I was directing, and everybody had to, come to me. And my name is Prashant, but they could not pronounce pra, sha. Uh, so they would call me Mr. Pasan, Mr. Pasan. At first I got very upset and even I got angry at some of them. But after few days of shooting and, when I was busy with so many things, and then in the middle of that, Mr. Pasan, Mr. Pasan. So I just, I thought, okay, man, just, stop them because they are not able to pronounce that pra and sha, sa. So I just allowed them to call me Mr. Pasan, Mr. Pasan. I couldn't do anything. But if somebody if somebody in India here, Hindi speaker, or even other parts of India, I mean, even a Tamil person, he will know the pronunciation Prashant. So if somebody is doing it, I won't like it. I don't like it. Nobody is going to like it. By the way, Prashant, my name, most people associate it with the Hindi name for Pacific Ocean. But a few years back, I came to know when I read about Kal Bhairav that Prashant is one of the names of Bhairav. And if somebody cannot pronounce my name properly, that person, should just avoid taking my name. And the same goes with the names of deities and especially mantra. When it comes to mantra, either you pronounce it correctly or you just don't do it. Don't even utter that mantra or word or whatever it is. So I hope this video will help some people at least to get a better connection with Bholenath. Call him by his proper name, pronounce it correctly, this mantra. I think it is the most well known mantra all over the world. Everybody, and even foreigners who are not native speakers of Hindi or Sanskrit or any Indian language, they can pick up this mantra very easily. Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, Namaha Shivaya, or Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. That's it. Namaha Parvati Pataye Har Har Mahadeva.